no be person when life will treat with soft hand at all. From the time when she marry finish, wahala no gree and chance rest. Her husband waka leave her and her 3 children when the life hard well for them for village. E be like say the spirit of Sophahe just dey follow Mama Ekaete everywhere. But this woman no gree for am o, because she strong pass concrete. Now from there, she leave village come Lagos to come find work. She come see work as house girl for one big madam house like that. This madam, she no dey smile o. Every time na work. She go shout, "Mama Ekaete, sweep here, mop there, wash plate." If person dey look Mama Ekaete, they no go know say she still get 3 children when she dey struggle to put for school. Plus her own mama wey dey for village dey wait for her to send small change. Every morning, she go dey think, how I go take pay my children school fees? Eka, Arad and Etam, dem dey for government school.